Hey guys, I'm going to do another Sarah Flint shoe review today. That was a bit of a mouthful. The last time I did her heels, this time I'm going to do the Sarah Flint Sandals. They're flats. It kind of seems a lot of money to pay for non-logoed, kind of a lesser known brand flat because they're $295. I do have a $50 off code though. I'll put that in the comment in the caption below, so have a look for that if you want to buy these and save yourself some money, because on the site they have a $25 deal, but this gives you $50 off on your first pair, so that's awesome. But I chose these ones this time because I was so impressed with how comfortable the last Sarah Flint heels were that I thought I might try her flats, because the whole point of flats is to be comfortable, and some of them blister and they rub and they don't fit and they fall off and they stretch out and all the rest of it. So I ordered these. I ordered them in white because I have a pair of tan slides. They're the Mirjana is the name of them. They come in tan and gold or white. I did white because I bought tan slides this year and I really didn't get as much use out of them as I thought I would. I was like, well, tan goes with everything, and it really didn't. It was weird. So I ordered the white ones, so I figured I'd do a little unboxing with you, show you how they fit. They only come in whole sizes. I'm always a little nervous when I order shoes online about the fit. These ones I found do run true to size. It does say on the site if they're going to run large, small, order up, order down, if they come in half sizes. These only come in whole sizes. But what I liked about them is there is elastic where the upper joins the sole, so it's kind of a bit more flexible for different width feet. So I was trying to figure out how to say that, for different width feet. So if you've got narrower feet, the elastic should hold it in a bit more, but it's not elastic, you can see. It's not like granny shoes. They're really pretty. So I'm going to unbox these with you. Each shoe is individually wrapped in the little shoe bags, little dust bags. And then they are all leather upper, leather soles, and then they have the rubber grip on the bottom for traction, obviously, so you're not slipping and sliding everywhere. I'm not a big fan of square toes. I know square toes were really trendy for 2021. I feel like they're going out, and I feel like a round toe is just such a good classic shape. I just do outtakes, but I just leave it in because it's easier than editing everything. The round toe for me is just much more flattering and classic, and the square toes always remind me of Roald Dahl, the witches. So I just don't like them. So these are those. They have the cute little bows, and I'm going to come up close and show you this. This is where the elastic is. So you can't see it from the front, you can't really see it from the side, but it is a sneaky little bit of elastic in there for a really good fit. I'm dying for a pedicure. I've been traveling loads and I don't have time to keep up on my manis and pedis when I'm traveling, so I tend to just let them go. So no hard comments on my feet. I know they need a pedi. So Sarah Flint shoes are mass manufactured in factories. They're handmade in Italy, and inside the box it does come with a little handwritten note saying who finished your shoe. So mine was handcrafted and finished with care in Italy by Ginevra. So that's really cool about them. The only thing I don't like about these is it doesn't have a padded sole. I was hoping for a flat shoe for a comfort shoe it would have. What is wrong with me? I need some more coffee. I was hoping it would have a little bit of padding to make them comfortable to walk around in all day. So I'm going to try them on for size, and then I'm going to wear them around a bit today and then get back to you and see if they're actually comfortable to walk in for kind of any period of time, because it's one thing running around to the grocery store in them. It's another thing wearing them for a whole day or walking around in a city on a city break with them where you want to get some mileage out of them. All right, let's pop these on. Okay, so these are the shoes on. They are absolutely a perfect fit for me. I ordered a 37, I'm a size 6.5 to 7, and they really do go like end to end, but there's no spillage of the toes over the end or on the back. Okay, I'm gonna take these shoes for a little walk around and report back. I'll let you know how they fit, if they stretched out, if they stayed on, if they were comfortable, and all the rest of it. Okay, so I just took the Sarah Flint shoes for a test drive or test walk, whatever you want to call it. I love the look of them. I love the white leather and the bow detailing, super cute. They didn't blister, they didn't rub. There was only one thing I wish they were cut differently. I wish kind of it came up a bit higher on the sides to give you some more support. In saying that, they didn't blister. I've been walking around in the sun, they didn't rub, and they didn't make my feet sweat, so that's always a winner. And I think they're really cute, especially for the price. A lot of slides, especially designer, tend to be a lot more expensive. So Sarah Flint, you do get what you pay for quality-wise, but you're cutting out the middleman of the store and just buying them online, so that's where you save some money. If you have any questions I didn't answer about the Sarah Flint sandals or even her perfect pumps, because I have a couple of pairs of those, let me know in the comments below so I can try and answer as best as possible I can. If you want to buy a pair, remember to use the $50 off code, because why spend more when you don't have to? And it's below in the comments, but it's just Sarah Flint BAE for my name, EVE. Dead easy. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a quick thumbs up and subscribe. I'll see you all in the next one.